Hi guys, Eric Quezada here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about this beauty, the Cavity Palette by Jeffree Star. It literally just came today. I'm really excited to review it, and let's just get into it. So the first things first is this is the outer packaging. This packaging is stunning. I love it. There's that. Whatever. And then we have this, which is pretty. I like it, but I'm actually not a fan of the cover art. I wish these were flopped. Like this was on here. I just think that would have looked nicer. Like I like when the packaging looks like that. And yeah, like this guy is so hot. I'm so mad because I didn't keep my little envelope picture that came with my palette. And I don't have this guy. And now I'm actually glad that I do have it. A part of me wants to keep this together, but a part of me doesn't, so we'll see. But this is what you're gonna get. I've been watching so many reviews on this freaking palette, just waiting for mine to come in. They're basically like blush hybrids, and I'm really excited to try them. I've done my foundation, powder, everything. Actually, I haven't done bronzer or highlighter yet, but we'll get into that right now. I'm just going to use my regular powder brush and we'll see how it works from there. I usually use the KVD number 20. I like how flimsy it is as a brush. And these color looks pretty intense, but from what I've seen, they're not actually as intense. So I'm going to go into Candy Frost. Oh, hold on. I wanted to show you guys the pan with like my phone really quick. Watch. Hold on. Because these pans are stunning, and I feel like you do not see it in person until you watch it on a video. So hold on. Let me record it for you. Let me show you the packaging and everything, because I like when people do that. Okay, so this is the Cavity palette. That's what it looks like. And this is Cavity. And then it has all the little goodies on the back, like what it's made of and stuff. Oh, I love this packaging so much. And then here we have this. That guy's so beautiful. I want to do his eye look. Another day. And then it says the Cavity Skin Frost Highlighter Palette. And then on the back, it's got the tooth, but it's not raised like the actual palette was. Like this is like raised and you can feel it. But this one's no, it's just flat. It still looks cool though. I wish it was on the front. Okay. And then let's open this sucker up. So this is what the inside looks like. This is where I like love to see what it looks like. So there's Icing IV. Then we have Candy Frost. Then we have Rose Cold, which looks just straight brown. And then we have Frozen Prick, which just looks straight orange. These shades look crazy. That way you guys have like a glimpse. Okay, let me do like a super zoom in. Yeah, so there's that. And that is the palette before I ruin it. Should I swatch it here? I kind of don't even want to swatch it. I'm not going to swatch it. I just want to apply it to my face. So I'm just going to dig in there. Oh, a lot's coming up on my brush. And then let's use the mirror provided. So I'm just going to stamp it. Oof. Oh no. That's kind of interesting. Because you know how it's supposed to be like a hybrid? I can definitely see the pink straight on, and then when I turn to the side, it looks... That's pretty cool. I don't know if I like this like cool tone pink though on my skin tone, but that looks really cool actually. I feel like because I'm more warm, it's giving me like an ashiness, but that glow is beautiful. Let me actually go in with I'm gonna go in with the same brush. I'm just gonna wipe it off on my leg, and then I actually want to go into this, the rose gold. Just pick up a lot, and then I want to try to stamp it on this side, and see what that looks like. So I'm not really seeing anything. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm seeing like a little more color. I feel like this one's pink straight on, and then it turns like blinding when you turn to the side. This one is more like, it's a little more rosy when you turn to the side. For something like this, I would just like want to whip it around all my face. Okay. I think I do like the rose gold better. I wonder what would happen if I like mix it. Like if I mixed rose gold on the other side. I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna get that rose gold, just dig in there, tap it off, and then kind of just pat over it. Just because that shade looked too ashy on my skin. I feel like that definitely helped me from looking ashy just straight on. Oh, that glow though. That's pretty. Oh, and this is gonna be one of those products that looks so good, like when you like do that and it like hits your cheek right there. I love that. Okay, and then we have Frozen Prick, which is the orange one. I want to put it over here on the rose gold side, just because it was a little softer. I'm gonna go into there. Just where am I brushing? I feel like these are gonna be amazing to like mix. Okay, yeah. This is definitely more my speed. Okay, so what I look for in a blush is I want to look a little sunburned, so like a little warmer. I don't want to say pink, more like orange. So the Frozen Prick shade actually fits pretty well. Whip that around. I like doing the all over there. I'm gonna go Frozen Prick, but I'm gonna pinch my brush a little bit to get it like a little more dense. And then I'm actually just gonna go on the tip of the nose. I saw someone do this and it looks so cute. And then I'm gonna go in with Candy Frost too, actually. And then go a little on there too. Just to combine them together. Oh no. You see that cute little like Rudolph moment? So I do like that on the nose. I want to see if I can use like Icing IV as like a highlighter. Maybe. Just because that's the only one I haven't used and I feel like it's going to be so light. I should actually try it like on the tip of the nose. Like right here. On the bridge, I mean, right here. So I'm going to go in with the same... actually, no. I'm going to go in with my highlighter brush. I used the KVD 4. just because it's like nice and fluffy, I'm gonna go into the icing IV. Well, that gets a lot on the brush. Tap it on, and then I'm just gonna go up and down on the nose. So like, oh, that looks so cute. That's actually really pretty. I don't normally like highlighting my nose because I feel like my nose is too fat, and I try to hide my fat nose. So that's actually really cute. I'm gonna put on my cheekbones on this side. I don't know if I'm going to even be able to tell because there's so much glow going on. I'll probably put it on my forehead. Like right here. Holy crap. That's pretty. Someone there. I do like it. If you are more medium or like tan, these two. Oh shoot, you can't even tell. These two are your best friend. And then, if you want a little bit more of a cooler pink, so mix it with this. I like mixing these two so far. And then these two. This one's like a lot more softer than I thought it would be. So this one you can mix with this, or this one you can mix with this. This one's a really good highlighter. I actually like putting this like on top of any of them to really like make it brighter, but also give it like a cuter pink. See, like this side, I feel is not giving me enough blush. This side, that's a good blush. It's like a bronzer, blush, highlighter thing. So I'm actually going to go in and even out that side. Go into Rose Cold. And then just whip it around. Whip. Go like that. Only so that ends of the brush are like touching my face. I literally whip it. And then I'm going to go into Frozen Prick. And then just pat it over wherever I already put it down. Yeah, that's cute. If you don't look like a clown by the end of it, you're doing it wrong. Really cute. I like it a lot. Let me look in a big mirror just so I can see my whole face. Honestly, that's beautiful. Yeah, I want to add like more color to my nose, so I'm just gonna, whatever product I have left, I'm just gonna apply there, back and forth. And then a little bit on the forehead. Okay. Let me swatch them out because I actually want to see how they would work as an eyeshadow. And normally if you're going to go in with an eyeshadow, you're going to go in with your fingers. So I'm going to go in with Icing IV, Candy Frost, Rose Cold, and then Frozen Prick. Okay, something that I'm realizing about like feeling these is that the first two feel like they're like lightly pressed, and then the other two, so that one feels lightly pressed. This one, and then this one, and this one don't feel as like pressed. Like these two feel softer than these two, but I think I kind of like that. Just the way they like catch the light. That pink one is intense. That's why I like mixing that one with this one. Because this one's like not as intense. So this one can like really amp it up. And then if you like blend it out. Oh, that's so pretty. And then this one is like a peachy white. This one's like a pinky white. This one's like a brown pink. And this one's like an orange gold. That's them kind of like swatched out. That way you can see like the way the light reflects on them. Watch. This is how I look from far away. You can tell. That looks really good. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, so for my final thoughts, if I were to rate this palette, it would be... I would rate it a 9 out of 10. This shade is good. I feel like a bright white highlighter is always good. You can put it in the inner corner. You can put it all over the lid. Like, if you're doing a cut crease. This one was really pretty. No, I do like this shade. This shade was a little iffy because... I don't know, like the color, I feel like... there should have been something more to this color. Like, I think it was too brown for what it was. I wish there was more like of muted rose to it. Oh my god, that would have been so pretty. And then this one I really loved. So like, out of all four, I liked these three the best. This, that one, and that one. This one was probably my least favorite. But even if you want something soft, and you're my color, and you just want it as like a highlighter, bro, this shade. That's why I think it's good, is because it's not like my favorite, but it works. Does that make sense? So yeah, 9 out of 10 for this palette. I think it retails for $38, so kind of pricey. How much comes in here? What, 7,428? Yeah. So there's 28 grams in here. And I think in his like regular Skin Frost, there's 15, so it's like about half. And this is like almost $30. This is my King Tut one that I like to use. It's all like hitting hard pan and shit. But hopefully that doesn't happen. I'm gonna keep using this. I like this one. But yeah, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys. If you wanna follow me, go ahead. I'm gonna have TikTok, ERICQUEZ88, and then the number 8. And then for my Instagram, it's gonna be Eric Nerd, ERICNERD, and I will put the rest of my socials down below. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Have a good one.